Nicholas is contracted by a not-for-profit organization to organize a special event. Let's say he is involved in a 10th annual Halloween party. However, the organization has offered a smaller than expected budget for Nicholas. Consequently, he has to find the perfect method to communicate with potential donors with the purpose of collecting $7,000. The mail merge letter is the means by which Nicholas will communicate with business owners. The collected amount aimed to recover associated expenses such as a room lease, ornaments, food and liquors, promotional gifts, DJ services, etc. In order to have the organization's approval, Nicholas will have to prepare and present a spreadsheet that shows a global view of the funds collected. That means using the Excel software. It implies the use of functions, table and cell formatting, conditional formatting, etc. A mail merge is a software function included in Word's parameters. It consists of producing simultaneously multiple letters intended to different recipients by creating one single template. Nicholas decides to start his letter edition by selecting a pre-formatted template. First, he chooses to customize the letterhead by adding the organization logo, add a pink color fill, change the font that includes the organization information to Calibri, and augment its size to 10 points. For the purpose of this course, the logo is a clipart image. Otherwise, a logo could be browsed from a folder. Now, he starts a step-by-step mail merge wizard which permits him to computerize specific variables to be merged to other documents. The data source includes title, first name, last name, organization name, address, city, state, etc. It is also possible to browse an existing database and work it on Word. Nicholas' document has become merged. He has to create the form with inserted merged fields. A merged field is linked with its data source and is grouped with its related data. He includes the address block that contains principally the mailing address. In addition, the greeting line is merged and customized as the introductory sentence. Then, he writes the body with specific references structure. He inserts merge fields. The Preview Results button enables Nicholas to see the overall appearance of his letter. In order to be more accurate, Nicholas inserts a field that provides the option of matching fields with a desired outcome. Here, Nicholas establishes the rules so as people stated in Quebec are invited on November 1st. To conclude, he writes his conclusion, reviews spelling and format, and clicks on Finish and Merge. As a result, all letters are customized to different recipients. Now, Nicholas creates labels by opening a blank page. The same step-by-step mail merge wizard applies to the labels formatting. The database used in a mail merge must be browsed again in order to recover the data. Therefore, he will stick the labels produced on each envelopes for the mailing process. The step-by-step mail merge wizard requires Nicholas to insert an address block and click on the Update Labels button. As a result, all fields related to different recipients are inserted and ready to send to the printer. Now that letters are sent and answers are received, Nicholas opens a blank workbook on Excel in order to present an accurate report to the organization. He starts to import the same database employed for the mail merge and customizes the table formatted that includes the data imported. He modifies the theme to Metropolitan, the color to Violet 2, adds a column in L called Collected Amount, and enters the required data. He adapts the title row using the Wrap Text button, and columns length are adjusted so as to fit the text content. He inserts the table's title and subtitle in row 3 and 4 respectively, and merge the text so as to be centered between column B and column L. However, Nicholas changes the table style and color to show more professionalism. In addition, he sorts the column L, named Collected Amount, from largest to smallest value, and will eventually add a conditional formatting to it. The title and subtitle cells are filled with a light purple color, and a total row is added to the table from the Design tab. The last column is also bold. Next, he converts the table to range and uses a conditional formatting that highlights by the means of data bars different donors with respect to their amount given. The Quebec Children Development Institute is assured to be promoted since the institute gave the most significant amount to the cause. Then, Nicholas modifies the table's title and subtitle by applying new cell styles to title and heading 1, respectively. He also adds a light purple border that delimitates his report. He complements the report by adding additional information that requires the sum of the amount provided by the not-for-profit organization and the amount collected from donors. He renames the spreadsheet for Fundraising Report. Therefore, Nicholas has more than the expected $7,000 and he is ready to present his achievements to the organization.